So we are quickly going to look at some companies that are paying dividends and those that have paid already, so that you can check your alerts. And if you've not received yours, you can actually reach out to the registrar of that company so that you get credited. And for those who have been credited, congratulations. Let me know in the comment section, and let me know how you go about it. If you fill any form, or if you fill any form in the past, or if it happens automatically. I'm trying to detect if the system has actually improved to the point that you don't need to fill any e-dividend mandate, and that is the research I'm currently doing. So in this video, we are going to look at the name of the company, the interim they are paying, the qualification date, and the payment date. So without wasting time, my name still remains Investor Joseph, and you are welcome to the Financial Edge, where we teach financial freedom via trade and investment. Just in case you are seeing me for the first time, don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when my post enriching videos like this. So guys, let's quickly move to today's business. So we're going to look at the first company, and that will give us, let's quickly look at it, and that is Unilever. So Unilever is currently paying 50 kobo. So Unilever is paying 50 kobo, and the qualification date is 8th of August, which has passed. But I just want you to put your eyes on the payment date so that those who are qualified already will be able to get their pay. So let me know if it happens. It's going to hit your account on the 22nd of this month. And let's quickly look at Unilever. Let's see what Unilever is currently doing in the market. So let's take it up. So this is Unilever Nigeria, and so far Unilever Nigeria just actually crossed all-time high, and is currently doing a new all-time high. So it's really an interesting time because every of the stocks are just doing all-time high. So you can see the movement started from 16. Of course, congratulations if you're able to get in around this area and you're enjoying the ride to this point. So congratulations. I salute you. So let's quickly jump to the next one. And the next one on our list is Drumbell Presco. So Presco is actually paying 20 naira dividends. Guys, let me tell you one secret. Do you know that these 20 naira dividends that Presco is paying, that was actually the price some people bought Presco? Some investors bought Presco around this 20 naira. And guess what is happening to them now? They are receiving their initial investment as dividends. So when people are telling you that they are living off dividends and all that, understand how it is. It is not you putting 100 million and you are getting 500,000 or 250 as dividends. No, understand how it works. Understand how it works. So this takes years. You get the point. So that's when you want to take stock investment like a real estate. You get the point. So you want to go in early, have that patience to wait and look at how it's going to unfold. Some of the stocks you are buying and selling, a few years from now, you will be shocked that we are making progress. So let's quickly look at the chart. We're going to look at Presco. Let's see what Presco is giving us. So this is Presco. You see, Presco has been shooting higher, 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 higher. No stopping. Presco is a moving train. If you missed it, you can't stop it. You can see at one point in time, Presco was actually selling for 68. You can see the price range. You can imagine at one point in time, Presco was selling for 17 naira, 55 kobo, but that's 2012. So at 2012 to this point, you understand how long some of these guys have been waiting. So it just depends on what you want to achieve. If you have a goal, plan it and stick to it, and stop looking at your screen. These guys that bought around this area, if Presco is going up and down, they are not bothered. They are just relaxed because they know where they invest their money. So that's Presco for you. Presco is paying 20 kobo. So let's look at the next one and let's see. Okay, don't forget, qualification date for Presco is actually November, and this, like, you have a whole lot of time if you want to qualify. So it's November and it's on the 7th, and the payment date is on the 21st of November. So let's quickly look at the next one. So the next one is the twin brother, which is Okumu. So Okumu is even paying a higher dividend than Presco, and the qualification date has passed. and the payment dates will be on the 22nd. So let's quickly look at Okumu chart and let's see what Okumu is giving us. So this Okumu oil, they are in same industry, but the market just love one more than the other. So you can see Okumu is currently at 1,000, and don't forget previously it went up as high as 1,110 naira. So, and this is where we are in the market today. So this is where we are in the market today. So this is some few tips that you should be able to pin in your note. Like you can write it on your note. Okumu 30 naira. Some few years when you look at it, you say, by the time Okumu will be paying something higher, maybe 15 naira, 100 naira, you say, I remember when they used to pay 30 naira. So let's quickly look at the next one. So the next one on our list is Seplat. So Seplat is paying 0.05 cents, which is equivalent of 70 naira. And the qualification date is 13th. Payment date is 25th. So once you qualify, if you have Seplat before 13th, that means you've qualified for the dividends, and also your payment will be coming on the 25th of August, and that is when the money is going to hit your account. Let's quickly look at Seplat and let's see what the chart is saying. Because some of these stocks, you want to see how you can use one stone to key two birds. So this is Seplat. Seplat dipped to this point, which is around 5, and started shooting again. Now it's coming down again. So for this, you cannot buy again to qualify. It's those who have it in their portfolio that will qualify for it. So let's jump to the next one. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I post video like this. So in case you've been paid and in case you're waiting for payment, let me know in the comment section so that we all can celebrate together. So thank you guys. Let's quickly open up this. Take this. So we have Ikeja Hotel, and so far this is one of the poorest dividends so far. So sorry if you have it, and so sorry if you're a shareholder in the company. So poorest, but like they used to say, at all, nine bad pass. So this one qualification has passed, and the payment date is on September 5th of September. That is when you hear Bagam or Chakam or Kain. It depends on the amount size, but this one I think it is. You get the point. It will not make a loud noise. So any which way, it's a free money. So you just have to appreciate the company. They are trying their best to ensure that their shareholders currently happy. Because if they did not pay interim, you won't arrest them. So for them to pay interim, it shows that they are actually trying. So you can see currently doing the all-time high, approaching the all-time high, because we've hit the all-time high of 23.05 before pulling back. So let's move to the next one. The next one is Africa Prudential. So Africa Prudential is the next one, and they are paying 10 kobo, and the qualification date is 8th of August, and payment date is 18th. So you must have received your Africa Prudential dividends. So let me know in the comment section. I will not ask you, don't worry, you will not pay tithe. Just let me know in the comment section that I have received. Just code it. Just say I have received it. You understand? So that I can tell you congratulations. So let's look at Africa Prudential. Let's see what they are doing. AfriProud. Okay, this is Africa Prudential. Oh, Africa Prudential is currently trying to break this support area here. So are we expecting Africa Prudential to come back to 12? We are still watching. So you can't actually, you can't get in because it has actually passed. So let's take this. Okay, so we have Transpower. Transpower is currently, qualification date is this, and payments is yesterday. Yes, payment yesterday. So I want to believe you receive it. So if you receive it, also let me know in the comment section. So because of time, let's check the next one so that this video will not be too long. I just want to drop this information so that you can get it and see what you can do with it. So that of UCAP qualification date is on the 8th of August, and the payment date is also yesterday also. So Africa Prudential, Transpower, and UCAP, if you are shareholders, check your account. Your money should be there, and hope you've been able to get some suya with it, so that you can reward the investor in you that actually made this investment. And if you want to reinvest it, good. But mind you, you need to enjoy yourself. You need to say thank you to the spirit that you have in you. Thank you to yourself. Most people don't appreciate themselves. I've been in that state where everything is just investment, everything investment. But you get to a stage that you need to take care of yourself, guys. You understand? So at least maybe you just get something and say, when I received my dividends, that's when I got this. It's something, or this. Sometimes when I receive good dividends like this, I just go to Yakoyo. I take some amala, with those runabouts, with chill coke, and you're good. You're good. And the next day you're back to the market. So that's just it. And because it's free money. It's free money. So why the money is working? I look at money like employer. If you have 1 million naira, you have 1 million soldiers working for you. If you have 200 million, 500 million, 1 billion, that is, you have 1 billion soldiers working for you. So while you're sleeping, they are working. You understand? So when the dividend comes like this, I'm not saying you should go and spend everything. No. Well, depend on the size. There are some you just have to spend everything, because it's nothing much. So we have UCAP, and we also have, let's look at the next one. We have Transco, that's Transcom Hotel. This one, very huge company paying 10 kobo. Any which way, it's still okay for those who are holding long time. Remember, we all have different strategy. That is why you see people, you've been able to buy and sell in the market. You understand? Imagine we all are using the same principle. You won't be able to buy and sell in the market, because while you are trying to buy, somebody's not ready to sell. So there will be imbalance. But because we have different strategy, different principle, some people is just 10% they want in the market, they are fine. That is why you are seeing buying and selling happening. Why some, if it is not 200%, they will hold. You understand? So different strategy, and that is why it's unique. So if you're listening to me, this is my style. You get the point. Don't compare with, just you can pick the two, and you have your own different style again. So that's how it works. Sometimes in my community, from sharing, people share their experience and all that. Before you know, so we are not stick to say this is how it is. No, 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 no. The bottom line is it bringing money? If you say your own style is you used to buy one, and you be able to turn 1 million to 10 million. See, let me even share you one secret. There is an account. Don't tell anybody. 3 million naira. 3 million naira is now 12 million. 1 year, 3 million. They play. They play. You don't know what is happening in the market. You think he's buying and selling. The brain behind the buying and selling is key. Is key. Is key. It's all about, you trade. I was sharing with my community. I said, most people think Investor Joe is a trader. Some say Investor is a trader, he's an investor. Even me, I don't know the one I belong to. What my style depends on what the market presents to me. If it is a trading market, I trade. If it's an investing market, I invest. If it is a position, I position. If it is momentum market, I become a momentum trader. So in my life is just like what Paul said. He said to the Jews, I became a Jew. So I'm not stick to say imagine if you say you are a trader, and it's now, and the market, the condition of the market requires that you come with what investing style. You will not stick to a trader. I'm a trader. You suffer in that season. You suffer in that season. Or it is now a bear market where nothing much is happening. You now say you are a trader. In a bear market, you say you are a trader. You are suffering yourself. So that is what I'll be teaching them this weekend. That is this Saturday that will be coming. Because last Saturday I opened their eye into some system and say, no, if we do this, we are going to do this. And they all saw what I was explaining. I'm not imposing it that this is what you should do, but I'm just saying, well, look at this pattern and look at this pattern. Which do you think is okay? So you make your own decision. And of course, they are all wise people in the community. You understand? They are wise. So you that is listening to me, Don't say you are the investor, you are this one, you are this one. You keep quiet. Uh-huh. Adjust to system. If it is rainy season, you bring your umbrella. Don't say me it's dry season I like, oh, if you rainy season, rain will just beat you and you get malaria. And that money you don't want to spend, you go and buy drugs. So adjust. If it is a trading market, become a trader. Become a trader. If you find yourself in a place, the first thing you want to ask is how do you make money here? That's what you want to ask. When I went to Lagos at the 2015, 2016, my friend there was I went to meet my friend there. I asked him, Omo, how na they use make money for here? He was even shy to tell me because he didn't believe I would be able to do the job. He said it is security. I say, oh yeah, where the office dey? And he looked at me and said, Joe. He said, I say, Baba, my money with it. Because I know by the time I collect food from his hand, the first day, second day, third day, the fifth day, fight go come. You go before you know, he go tell you say which day they go back. So the day I landed, I asked him, how do you guys make money here? He say, to get job is he say, but security is easy. I say, where is the office? And guess what? The next day I started the security job. I entered Lagos today. That's on Sunday. On Monday, I went to training. From training, they posted me. And I started working. So what I'm just trying to say is don't say you are this, you are this. What the market present. But if you think you are smarter, exactly, get two portfolio. Use one for one style, use one for one style. So at the end of the month or at the end of the quarter, you can judge for yourself. Numbers don't lie. Men lie, women lie, parents lie, numbers don't lie. So the numbers will show you up and you will clear yourself. This video is getting long. Sorry guys, let's quickly rush and do the next one. I don't want this video to be too long. This one is not the time that we'll talk too much. So custodian, you've qualified if you bought bought before 15th, and qualification date is on the 9th of September. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm trying to build a family. I don't want to build, say you are my YouTube fans. No, we are family. Once you subscribe and once you watch my video, you like, you comment, you share, we are together in this game. And that is why we are doing the Unfair Advantage Conference, where I want to share the blueprint on how you can make money, how you can join the 1%. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post enriching videos like this. Until I come your way again, keep making money and keep protecting your profit. I love you all, my friends, and there is nothing you can do about it. Hands to earth salute. See you on the next one.